For my last video, I talk about Lagos-Calabar coastal road wey flood, but today, make we look one part wey many people no dey talk about at all. The part wey concern us, the people. Report say some people went there and vandalized drainage covers. And when drainage no complete, water no go get where to pass. Na so flooding take happen. So make we talk truth hand, no be everything na government fault. Government fit build road, but na all of us go protect am. Because that road no be for one person, na for all of us. Security agents no fit dey everywhere. Dem no go fit see everything wey dey happen. But we wey dey around, we dey see these things. If somebody dey vandalize public property and we keep quiet, we dey allow the problem grow even further. And later, na who go still suffer the result? Bad road, flooding, damage, everything go affect us. So make we change that mindset of no concern me, because it actually concern you. Na your road, na your country. If you see something wrong, say something. No keep am to yourself. At the same time, government still get responsibility to provide security and proper supervision, because accountability na both sides. Till we meet in my next video, I hope you understand the importance of this message. God bless you and God bless Nigeria.